Hey friends, in this video we are going to talk about how we can describe a set. In the last video we have seen that what is set and which statement is known as set and which are not, and all that details. But in this video we are going to talk about how we can describe set. So actually there are two methods to describe a set. One is known as roster form and another is known as set builder form. Right. Now let's go into detail of roster form. Now let's say we have a set of all the alphabets that are vowels, right? All the alphabets that are vowels. So we know that it is A, E, I, O and U. So these are the alphabets in English alphabet. These are the vowels. So in roster form, how we can represent it? So first and the foremost thing is we have to name the set. Let's say the name of the set is A, and we know that the name of the set should be in capital letters. So let's say we are taking capital A. Now A is equals to, we have to use this curly braces. In roster form you have to use this curly braces and write the elements inside that set, that is A, E, I, O, U, using comma. Using comma we have to write it. So this is in this way we are writing in roster form. So how we can define a set in roster form? Simply by using the curly braces, and inside that we have to write each element of the set, separating every element using a comma. Right. Let's take all the odd numbers less than 10. Let's say odd numbers less than 10. Odd numbers less than 10. So how we can write it as, let's say we are taking the name of the set as X, and we can use this curly braces, and odd number less than 10 are let's say we have 3, we have 5, we have 1 also, we have 7, we have 9. Let's we are taking exactly the positive odd numbers. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So this is the set, and this is exactly the roster form in which we can write this set over there. Now going ahead to set builder form. But before knowing set builder form, we need to know certain symbols to know how we can write the set in set builder form. The first symbol is this colon. If you see this colon, it is known as such that. We will go into more details in further examples, but right now we are just going to the name of the symbols. This symbol is known as belongs to, this is known as not belongs to, this is known as null, and this is known as for all. Now we have certain more symbols, that is capital N means set of all natural numbers, capital Z means set of all integers, capital Q means set of all rational numbers, capital R means set of all real numbers. Right. Now if I'm writing something like this, Z plus, that means set of all positive rational numbers, set of all positive integers, and if I say that Z minus, that is set of all negative integers. So similarly we have Q plus and Q minus for set of all positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers, and R plus and R minus for set of all positive real numbers and set of all negative real numbers. Similarly we have all these things. Now let's go ahead and see how we can write a set in set builder form. In set builder form we have to first write the name of the set, similar as that of the roster form. Now after that we have to write this curly braces, but inside this curly braces we are not using comma to separate that element. We are using certain, you can say, condition. How we can write? We can write something like this. Let's say X such that, this colon is known as such that, right? X belongs to natural number and x is, let's say, less than 5. So this is in set builder form. Now we have to convert this set builder form in a roster form. Then how we can convert this? We can convert something like this: x is less than 5 and x is a natural number. So less than 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and not 5, because it is not x less than equals to, it is just strictly less than. So we will write 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is in a roster, O-A-S-T-E-R, roster form, and this is in set builder form. So if you want to write this roster form in set builder form, we can just do that also. So let's take another example, maybe something like this. We are taking a set, let's say x, in which we are writing something like this: x such that, right, x belongs to positive integer z plus, and x is less than equals to, let's say, less than equals to 7. So positive integers which are less than 7, how can write in roster form? We can write it something like this: 1 is a positive integer, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the positive integers less than equals to 7. Let's go to bit complicated ones, something like this. Let's say x, let's say we are taking b as a set, and we write an x such that x equals to 2 to the power n, right? X equals to 2 to the power n, where n belongs to, small n belongs to capital N, that is n, that is a small n, belongs to natural numbers, right? And n is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 5. So this is quite more complicated than the previous ones. So what we can write in the roster form, that b will be equals to what, x is equals to the n, and n is a natural number provided that n is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to less than equals to 5. Now we will write 2 to the power 1 as 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5. So this is the roster form of the given set builder form. So I hope set builder form and roster form is clear, and if you have any doubt in set builder form and roster form, then you can comment down below, and thanks for watching.